Some people think life is made of choices. Tea or coffee, Mac or PC, Rachmaninoff or Rolling Stones, romantic or ladies' man, sporty or geek, handyman or intellectual. But why choose? Today's man is a hedonist. He loves to make the most of life's many pleasures, sometimes to excess. Friends, beautiful cars, pretty women, sports, and partying. He wants to be himself. But sometimes, man has to be irreproachable, good in every way, always there at the right time. Women want him to be handsome, smart, strong, etc., etc. The ideal man, basically. Gentlemen, a little helping hand? Guerlain has created the ideal essence for you.